All right, so let's go ahead and create our another model, and this one is going to be course. So we're going to call this one course. Okay, and this one is going to have most of the properties. So let's go ahead and create a struct for course identifiable. We're going to give it an ID, and let's define a UUID right here. For course name, we're gonna have a string type is best seller. It's gonna be a Boolean type. Topic is gonna be topic type. Author, detail, course image, promo video, lessons. Can have lesson object, an array, number of students. So currently enrolled students number. I'm gonna put it as a string. Once again, this is all you can change based on your API response. I'm actually just gonna show you what we have from the sample side, but you can change this to be like a JSON response or anything. All right, so these are going to be all the properties for our course, and then we're going to create an extension for our course. Okay, and this extension is going to have our sample courses. So there's going to be a static function, sample courses. Okay, and this is going to return an array of course. Right, so you can simply create a course here and populate all the information. So it's quite a lot, so I have already prepared some samples, so I'm gonna actually paste it in here. And what I need to remove is ID, or actually, you know what, I'll change the ID to match. There you go. Okay, so let's see, topic dot SwiftUI. Okay, wait a minute, let's jump into a topic, and I think it should be small s. Yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and build and see if there's any error. Okay, so there is one error. Okay, yes, it has to be an array like that. Okay, let's go ahead and build, and build failed again. So let's see where the build has failed. Okay, there, we changed that name, so let's go ahead and build it again. Okay, so now everything is building. That means our model creation is complete. So we have our course, topic, lessons, and all these models, right? So what we're gonna do next is basically we're gonna start creating our home view first, so at least we can see the home view. So if you go back, this is the home page that we're gonna first create, and then we're gonna populate that, and we're gonna basically start creating models and views at the same time when we are actually creating those views. All right, okay,